I'm Nilesh Gupta. I'm 29 years old and I'm staying right now in Pune. So my main problems was choking in the night while I'm sleeping and snoring. So and I was feeling daytime sleepiness. At the age of 29, I have hypertension and many problems. So that is because of mainly my nose is right side septum is deviated towards right side, and I was choking because of my upper palate was creating problem and my lingual tonsils. So I visited five doctors exactly in Pune, as I remember, and everybody said this it needs to be operated, but I was not getting that confidence because of I'm not sure. So I searched a lot, and finally I came to know the Dr. Vikas Agrawal is best in this field. So I visited him, and then he also suggested me few surgeries. Then he have done the sleep endoscopy. After doing that, I was pretty satisfied that this, if after removal of all these things, my problem will be gone. So I have done my surgery 15 days back, and now as I can see, I don't have any snoring and choking, as my father also told. I'm feeling fresh while I'm waking up, and there is no problem as for now, and my voice has been not changed, and there was very little pain while after the surgery, and now pain is also almost gone, and I was on very minimum medications. So I think if someone is having this kind of problem, they should not worry much and definitely should consult once with Dr. Agrawal. And thank you, sir, so much for this. And special thanks to Dr. Patel also. He was following up with me, and thank you so much. Thank you so much.